forces deployed and checkpoints reinforced. The Election Commission's coordination with multiple agencies reflects its commitment to peaceful and fair elections. Such proactive steps underscore the importance of securing sensitive border zones, especially during political charged periods when external disruptions could influence democratic outcomes.